Ritanya, you might have heard her name. Tirupuru, Tamil Nadu girl who was married on 11th April 2025 was found dead on 28th June 2025. Within a matter of months, this young 27-year-old was crushed by a toxic marriage.
எனக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கா ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு எனக்கு நான் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணதை விட எனக்கு ரொம்பவுமே நேச்சுரலா வந்திருக்கு எல்லாருமே நல்ல ரிவ்யூ சொல்லியிருக்காங்க டால் மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டு
Her husband and in laws constantly tortured her, physically and mentally, which made Ritanya feel she had no other option. It's not just her case, cases like these are numerous. Even to this very modern time, we are in 2025 and still women face such harsh conditions. Did Ritanya have no other option? Yes, she did. Here, I'm not blaming her. I have huge amount of sympathy towards her. The reason I'm speaking here is only because I don't want any more cases like this. I want all of the women to lead a happy life. Ladies, in case if you are facing similar problems of dowry, harassment, violence, etc., don't worry. Instead, think of how you can tackle it. For instance, after marriage, if there is torture in your house, first get out of that place smoothly. Don't rebel against them immediately because there are cases where daughter in laws were killed in their in law's house. Stay away from them and take suitable legal actions. Don't worry about society, opinions, fate, etc. Be practical and solve it. Yes, at this very moment, you might feel it's a huge problem, but as time passes, everything shall fade. Important thing is that you must live your life. No one is free of problems. Everybody is facing one or the other thing. Important thing is that you must face it and solve it. Never feel that you are alone. Share it with your parents, immediate family members. If your family isn't supporting, don't worry. Reach out to your trustworthy friends, neighbors, etc. I know, world is filled with nasty people, but still humanity is alive. There are few good people around who might help you. Create a plan, execute it. You may win or lose, but don't worry. Try one more time, but never ever even think about ending your life. That's not fair. I have seen animals shivering in cold without food, shelter, proper care. People kick them, shoo them away, and various other things. Have you ever heard that they have committed suicide? No, right? Aren't we much more advanced creatures? We have more intelligence than them. We must recognize it and use it. Don't get scared. Fear is something which is always about past or future. At this very moment, you must stay strong. Don't worry about anything. I feel that you can make it. You can solve it, and everything shall be fine. It's a fact that this world is for the intelligent people, smart ones. No matter if you have any flaw, you are not talented, you are not yet confident, it doesn't matter. It is survival of the fittest. You just have to make effort. Just think about how to solve a problem. It may take time or few other opinions, but you will get an answer. No problem is big in the world. When you are blessed with human life, make use of it. Enjoy it. It will take some time to adjust towards a new beginning of your beautiful life, but you must understand the process and face it with courage. Constant effort is the most important. It's never too late. It is much better to lead an independent life rather than a toxic, suffocating environment or people. Never care about what people might say or think. It doesn't matter. What matters is your life and happiness. You might have also thought about so many people, judged them, but did it matter to them? No. They might not even know what you thought about them. And if you did express, they won't change. Most people are towards their own selfish reason. Why bother about someone's opinion? If it's a financial problem, just understand there are so many good jobs, opportunity in this current times. You can create your own venture to earn. There are so many options available and cash it. I don't even know what you are facing, but I know you have the ability to solve it. We women are much stronger than people think of us. We go through physical pain every month by menstrual cycle and act as if nothing is happening and still continue our daily chores. Childbirth isn't a small thing. Many women state that it's like a rebirth to them, and we are all capable of that strength. What makes you think that you are weak? Women are known for multitasking, compassion, strength, love. We are not less than greatness. A woman's role in this world is irreplaceable. So, when God has sent us with all these abilities, use it to make your life better. Never stay at a place where you are harmed or about to be harmed. World is a big place. You can happily survive wherever you want. Stay happy.